is this?
Hi, my name's Laura Carlton. Richard Blake is my friend. He said you would remember.
Did he tell you my price?
No, he just said you're worth it.
Oh. First time?
Yeah, I've always wanted to do this for a really long time.
I'm busy. Come tomorrow and be sober.
Okay, but how will I know?
I'll text you. Don't be late.
Thank you.
I'm Laura, and this is my friend Cathy.
Send her away.
What?
I don't like people much. Send her away.
Cathy, it's okay. Just help. Can you wait for me in the car?
I like him. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's okay. She's gone now.
Close the door and lock it.
Okay. I brought you a photo.
I don't want to see it. That's not how I work.
Yeah. Richard had meant to.
Richard, who?
Richard Blake, my friend. The one that was recommending me.
Oh, him. I remember him. Take off all your clothes.
What? No, this is not what. This is not.
Kidding. You'd be surprised how often that line works.
I thought you were serious there for a moment.
Just take off your shirt. Look, I don't know how much Richard told you about me. My services are discreet. I don't talk about you. You don't talk about me. Got it?
I understand. Yeah, Richard didn't say much besides that changed his life.
I have a talent. A talent and a curse. You won't be leaving here the same way you came in. That is for certain.
Okay. Do you want me to pay you now?
You pay me when I'm finished, not before.
Okay then. Do you want to get started then?
Since you're in a goddamn hurry, put this on.
Okay.
Now drink this.
Oh.
Bend over the chair. Let's get this thing over with.
Oh. Can I take off my shoes?
So now you want to take more clothes off. Smudging seems like new age bullshit, but it works. You have nice skin. What can I do to you?
I was thinking like a butterfly monarch type.
Stop the goddamn nonsense. What do you want?
Okay, honestly, I'm tired of being scared. And not believing in myself. I'm tired of criticizing my every body, my moves. I'm tired of thinking I'm not enough.
That's a good start. You have to dare to become the woman you want to be. So let the drink take you. You can't speak or move now. But listen as I go about my work. This is your ritual. I'm going to do a hell of a lot more than just decorate your body. I work both sides, you know. I find the secret doorways. In your mind, see yourself in the veil of flame that doesn't burn you. Beyond it, the realm of illusion and self-deception smolder and burn. You're on a journey to meet the essence of your soul. You reach a place where you can have every treasure you ever wanted. Looks, confidence, charisma, whatever you like. Now, claim your authenticity. Be strong, indestructible. In life, you're constantly followed and surrounded by demons. Some try to escape from you, and others try to break in and take over. Drive out every doubting demon. Drive out every doubting demon.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm beautiful.